Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, so let's start with removing the labels here. So and now, okay, first of all, nothing in here. Second, we have here another box, which one contains the SIM ejection tool. Oh, we have a case in here, a silicone case like this. And we have a user guide here included in many languages and a warranty card. Okay, what we have else? Of course, we will have here the Redmi Note 10 Pro with its 108 quad cam and 120 megahertz AMOLED display. Let's have a look. Wow. Okay. This is how it looks like. I have here the black version, as you can see. And this is how it looks like. As I said, with his 108 megapixel cam. A nice design. And yeah, this is how it looks like. And let's have a look what is else in the box. So below this thing here, we will have a power charging adapter and a USB Type-C charging cable. One side is USB Type-A, so the regular one, and the other one is USB Type-C. Very important if you want to buy a new cable. But to be honest, I'm surprised there is no headset anymore included. And yeah, let's have a look here on the screen. Yeah, there's also a protection film for the display included. And yeah, that's very nice. Yeah, let's have a look again here. We have a case to protect the phone. We have the phone itself with a plastic film on it to protect the display. We have the user's guide, we have a warranty card, we have a USB Type-C cable with a power charging adapter and a SIM ejection tool. What is not available here in that box is a headset, but this is actually common at the manufacturers. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for watching this one, and maybe until next time. Ciao.